Question hook. Did you know that a single honeybee can visit up to 100 flowers in just 1 hour? What else do you know about honeybees? In this video, we'll dive deep into the incredible life of a honeybee, exploring their intricate social structure, their vital role in pollination, and the challenges they face in today's world. Hey there! Welcome to our channel where we bring you the most fascinating stories from the animal kingdom. Today we're going to explore the hidden world of honeybees. Let's start with an astonishing fact. A single honeybee can gather nectar and pollen from up to 100 different flowers in just 1 hour. That's an incredible feat of efficiency and organization. But how do they manage to do this? And what secrets lie within their complex social structure? Join us as we unlock the mysteries of the honeybee hive and uncover the fascinating world of these tiny insects. Inside the hive, a world of organization. Let's now delve into the inner workings of a beehive. Show captivating visuals of a beehive. The bustling activity of bees going in and out. The honeycomb structure inside. At the heart of the hive is the queen bee, the mother of all the bees in the colony. Her primary role is to lay eggs and ensure the continuation of the colony. Around her are the workers, female bees that perform various tasks such as collecting pollen and nectar, building honeycomb, and caring for the young. And then there are the drones, male bees whose main purpose is to mate with the queen. But how do these bees communicate and coordinate their activities? Surprisingly, they have a sophisticated communication system. One of the most fascinating aspects of bee communication is their use of dance language. When a bee returns to the hive after finding a rich source of nectar or pollen, it performs a specific dance to indicate the direction and distance to the next flower patch. This intricate form of communication allows the entire colony to benefit from the discovery. Another way bees communicate is through the use of pheromones. These are chemical substances that bees release into the air to signal alarm, attract mates, or mark a trail to food sources. Pheromones play a crucial role in maintaining order and coordinating activities within the hive. The dance of pollination. Now let's follow a worker bee on its daily task of pollination. As a bee flits from flower to flower, it inadvertently picks up pollen grains on its furry body. These pollen grains contain the male gametes or sperm cells of the plant. When the bee visits the next flower in search of nectar, some of the pollen grains fall off, landing on the stigma, the female reproductive part of the flower. This transfer of pollen is pollination. It's a vital process for the reproduction of flowering plants. In fact, about 75% of the world's food crops rely at least partially on insect pollination, with honeybees being the most important pollinators. They play a pivotal role in ensuring the production of fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds that sustain both wildlife and humans. Challenges and threats. Unfortunately, honeybee populations have been facing major threats in recent years. Habitat loss due to urbanization and agricultural intensification, as well as the widespread use of pesticides, have taken a toll on their numbers. Climate change, with its altered weather patterns and increased frequency of extreme events, also poses a significant challenge to bee survival. Recent research has shed light on the alarming rate of colony collapse disorder, a phenomenon in which worker bees mysteriously disappear from a hive, leaving the queen and the brood. Studies have shown that factors like pesticide exposure, habitat loss, and climate change can weaken bee colonies, making them more susceptible to diseases and parasites. A hopeful future. Despite these challenges, there is hope for the honeybee. Many beekeepers and researchers are working tirelessly to protect these vital pollinators. They're keeping bees in urban areas, promoting rooftop hives, and raising awareness about the importance of bees in our ecosystem. Organizations like the Honeybee Conservancy are focused on conserving wild honeybee species and their habitats. By supporting these initiatives and making conscious choices in our own gardens and communities, we can all contribute to the protection of honeybees. Even small actions like planting bee-friendly flowers, reducing the use of pesticides, and supporting local beekeepers can make a big difference. As we wrap up our journey into the life of a honeybee, remember that these tiny insects are not only efficient and organized, but also vital to our ecosystem and food supply. Their intricate social structure, fascinating communication methods, and crucial role in pollination are just a few reasons why honeybees are truly remarkable creatures. Now it's your turn to take action. What steps will you take to protect honeybee populations? Will you plant bee-friendly flowers or reduce your pesticide use? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Together, we can ensure that the honeybee continues to thrive for generations to come. Thank you for joining us on this episode of Amazing Insects. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating stories from the animal kingdom. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of nature and protecting the pollinators who make it possible.